Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this rational equation. 2 to the power of x plus 2 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 22. We can see that in here the base, yes, it's 2 for all my numbers. So I'm going to use in this example the injectivity property of exponential functions. So we have a to the power of p plus q equals with a to the power of p multiplied with a to the power of q. Yes? And also a to the power of p minus q equals with a to the power of p over a to the power of q. So I'm going to come back to my initial equation, and I have 2 to the power of x plus 2 plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 22. If I use those formulas, results that 2 to the power of x multiplied with 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x over 2 equals with 22. And here I will use the common factor 2 to the power of x multiplied with round parentheses 4 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 equals with 22. Results that 2 to the power of x, here I'm going to amplify with 2 multiplied with 8 plus 2 plus 1 equals with 11 over 2 equals 22. So results that 2x equals with 22 divided by 11 over 2. So 2x equals with 22 multiplied with 2 over 11. Here 22 over 1. I'm going to simplify in here, yes. So results that 2 to the power of x equals with 2 to the power of 2, yes. Since in here 2 equals 2, results that x equals with 2. We have our results. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments what type of exercises you want me to explain. If you understood this example, hit the subscribe button and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.